It was expected of us that the universities would do 10% and that the household will do another 10%. So if the household and ourselves were able to get our 20%, and the government has given us 48%, that's around 68%. If we play around, we are at 70%. 70% anywhere is a distinction. So what it means is that we are not doing badly. It is only to play around and see and say, how do we do better?
As of now, we are indebted to the tune of 56 billion, money which has accrued over the years in the form of staff, pensions, pay as you earn, NHIF, NSSF, we owe various other suppliers monies that we have not paid over the years, and this figure continues going up weekly, monthly, and yearly. But we are also asking universities to come up with innovative ways which they can also be able to generate income, like commercializing research, like what I've said here. A number of them have so much properties which is debt capital. They should be able to think of ways how they can be able to generate money, entering into public-private partnerships